Good morning. This is just a preview or a prelude or a what's up and coming in the video. Been having some problems with the GoPro, but that ain't your problem. There will be a 0 to 60 time in this video. Just something to do. I was always curious of it. The 1968 Dodge Charger RT I looked up, just trying to give you some information before I screw it all up in the video. The 0 to 60 times on an RT 440 in 1968 out of the factory, at least that's what they advertised, was 6.3 seconds to 6.5 seconds. We're going to see how close we can get to that. Here's the info right here. Don't know if you can see that, but we're going to try it. I just got a open rear end in this car, high gear, highway gear, and that's what I want. Between the big block and the stall and all that, I think it works pretty good. But in this video, we're going to see, and I fixed a coil, or tried to fix it. I guess I don't want to let the cat out of the bag on that one, but just stick around. We'll see what this old turd will do. If I get anywhere close to the 6.2 and 6.3, I'd say I'm doing pretty good with an old motorhome engine everybody says is a slug. I've done a couple upgrades to it, but not much. An old intake, maybe a hotter spark with the GM ignition module. I've got a small stall 28 to 3200. That's about it, man. That's all I've done to an old 8.2-to-1 compression 1975 motorhome engine. Not HP or whatever, but does it have to be? We'll see. We'll see if we can get close. I think I can hook up. I'd be at 5 seconds, but who knows. Stick around. I will be getting a sure grip for this car in a very near future. I'll be putting that in, and then we'll see what it is after that. So enjoy. Thank you. Welcome back to Shad's Garage. Let's see if the coil worked. Remember in the last video I had it on, but it was raining. Been raining. I'm gonna make a breakfast pizza, run to the gas station, take a lap. I got my phone. I might even see if with just a little 0 to 60 thing, I got an app. We'll check that out. I'm not going to try too hard, but I'm just going to see what a nice mild 0 to 60 is, because I can't hook up anyway. I'm a one-wheel peel with a big block 440. You're just going to tear the tire up, but just kind of curious just to see what this old turd will do. everything, and like I can't drive a no-handed. Alright, I'm just driving around trying to get it warm up to operating temperature before I run to 0 to 60. See how it goes. Alright, we're coming up on it. Here's my race thingamabobber. See if we can get an open 300 feet or so here. This is a little bit better highway here, right after the tracks. Stop and put the meat and potatoes to her. Looks like we're clear. Hopefully it'll hook up. I'm gonna reset this thing. After the failed app deal, I'm just driving, contemplating life's choices. But I did figure something else out. From my stop to that building was 12 seconds, and that distance was 0.23 of a mile. So I did some maths, and that came out to be 5.22 seconds for the 0 to 60. Now, is that right? I don't know. I bet it's somewhere close, because I run a 7-second on the first attempt, but spinning the tires. Well, with spinning the tires, I just took off slow for about 2 car lengths so I wouldn't burn the tires off. So this is just me tooling around. Still fun to drive. I was at my wits' ends kinda, because it wouldn't come on. I was going to try it again back here on this country road, but it's all tarmac. The highway I come off it was better, but I did figure out that I could do a little bit of math, and that probably got me pretty close. I'm going to get another app, or make this one work better, or actually read something, and see how it goes, and get some real numbers. As far as the apps go, I don't know how good these apps are, but 5.22 seconds, 0 to 60. I'll take it. I'd like to take that one. But let's just finish this video up, get back to the garage, and do a little, I guess, final rigmarole, and we'll be done. Hey, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye. Well, this stupid GoPro again. I'm about done. But I did get some information. I wasn't even trying my foot on it so I wouldn't burn out. I wasn't even really trying to go to 0 to 60. And here's what it did. .2 seconds. I think that's what these cars were supposed to do, the RTs. And like I said, I wasn't even trying. I didn't have a good launch. I was slow off the launch. So I'm thinking, I don't know. I'm not gonna talk out of school, but that's pretty good. If I got any kind of, if I'm creeping off the line at 7.2, I think that's what these 440 RT was supposed to do from the factory back in 68 or 69. So we'll see. My coil's good. Maybe we'll do some more tests if you like it. Like I said, I can't bitch about that, I guess. 7.2 seconds for not even trying. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go and eat breakfast. Y'all take it easy. Thank you for watching.